Find features that distinguish it from other brands for AHAWILL 5 feet Christmas cone tree, smart RGB, LED lights with app and remote control. And why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. DIY lighting effects. Our smart cone Christmas tree lights can be controlled via app, remote control, or the function switch button on the adapter. Offering 16 million colors and multiple preset modes, switching between them is effortless. You can freely adjust the color, speed, directions, and brightness to your liking. These color-changing Christmas tree lights are perfect for creating festive ambience during the holiday season and enhancing the atmosphere at parties and gatherings. Fun music mode. This RGB Christmas tree light features a music mode. Use the remote to make the lights change colors and flash rhythmically to your favorite tunes. DIY your own dreamy light effects. These LED Christmas tree lights add interactive fun to holiday celebrations or parties. High-quality Christmas decorations. This illuminated Christmas tree boasts an IP44 waterproof rating, withstanding rain and snow to ensure reliable performance in any weather. Featuring vibrant colors and dynamic lighting effects, this musical Christmas tree is perfect for outdoor decoration of your home, garden, courtyard, yard, balcony, or gazebo. It also creates a relaxed and romantic ambience indoors. Simple installation and reusable. AHAWILL Smart LED Christmas tree lights come with all assembly kits for easy setup and takedown. Compact storage saves space. Made from eco-friendly materials, they're safe, odorless, and reusable year after year. Holiday lighted cone tree. With its timer and countdown functions, you can easily set automatic on/off schedules. Multiple modes cater to different moods and occasions, bringing dazzling light effects to indoor and outdoor spaces. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.